Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And yes, we're doing another clothing haul. This time it is from Shein, and I picked up a couple of tops, purses, and shoes, I believe. So I'm not going to make this intro too long, but I will say, if you are new, welcome. My name is Amir. I am all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of live content. So let's get right into the video. Starting off with the first piece, this is the Crisscross Backless Unitard, and I really do like the quality of this unitard. It's not tight and it's not too loose, nor is it see-through, so you don't have to worry about your panties showing through. But still, don't wear bright panties just in case you're like directly in the sun, and you know the sun intensifies everything. But yeah, this is a cute little basic piece just to run and do errands, but pick up some quick lunch or whatever. I picked this piece up in a medium, and I like how the straps don't like cut into my shoulders. They're really comfortable. So the next piece I picked up was the pocket front plaid high-low blouse, and I picked this up in a 0XL. I wish I would have picked it up in a larger size because I really wanted it to fit oversized, and the sleeves weren't as long as I wanted them to be. Like, I wanted them to like come over my hands, but it's still a cute top. You can wear it multiple ways. This is just one of the few ways that you can wear it. The next shirt that I picked up, this is the solid button front long line shirt, and I picked this up in a large. I like how this shirt is fitting. This is fitting how I wanted the plaid shirt to fit, oversized. So with this shirt, I could definitely see me putting a belt on just to give me a little bit of shape. I love the color of this top as well. 10 out of 10. Moving on to the next shirt, this is a cutout ruched one shoulder top. First of all, this top was so difficult to put on. I didn't know how to put it on. I had to look back at the picture, but I just love how this color is sitting on my skin. This shirt is very comfortable. It's not cutting me, it's not too tight, it's breathable, and the fabric's not too thick, so if you do get hot easily, you won't like really sweat excessively. This top is perfect for the spring and the summertime. I am going to be wearing the same jeans for the next couple of tops because it was no point in me like running through my whole closet to pick up different jeans. But the next item that I picked up, this is the Minimalist Flap Saddle Bag, and honestly, I don't really like this bag. I don't like the strap. I wish it was longer, and I wish the bag had a little bit of more structure to it, but it's cute. It's just not for me. The next item that I have is a tie back backless halter top. This is in a mint green color. It looks a little bit washed out on the camera, but it's a nice mint green in person. Like, it's not see-through, it's not heavy, it's a very light and breathable shirt, which I really do love. It gives me throwback early 2000 vibes. And when I saw this top, I then saw this bag that I'm getting ready to show you guys, and y'all, this bag, a 10 out of 10. So this is their faux pearl Decor Croc satchel bag, and the pearl part is detachable as well as the chain, and this is what it looks like inside. It's a decent amount of room inside, which I really do like. Now this is the same top but in a different color. This one is in pink. It looks a little lilac on camera, but it's pink in person. This color is a little bit see-through, so just be a little mindful of that if you do pick up this top. The next bag that I picked up, this is their Minimalist Chain Baguette bag, and honestly I liked it better on the website than in person. I don't like how the chain and then the lock on the bag. They don't really match color wise, and it just wasn't doing it for me. So yeah, not much to say about this one. The next top, this is the Cowl neck open back cropped halter top. This is in another mint green shade, and I picked up a lot of halter tops, but that wasn't on purpose. But you know, they all work out. But yeah, this is a very cute top. I love the feel of this shirt. It has like this shimmery layer to it, which is so perfect. I can definitely see this at a brunch or going to lunch with the girls. I love, really do. So then I picked up this leopard print open back bodysuit, and honestly I don't really like this piece. Once again, it looked better on the website than it does on me. I mean, I can make it work, but I just don't see myself wearing it, honestly. So yeah, I really don't have anything to say about this piece. It's light on you, and it does cut you on your area, so that's another reason why I don't like this top. Now the next top that I have for you guys, this is the tie back wrap cami top, and I love this shirt. The only con about it is the chest part. If you are part of the itty bitty titty committee, you're going to need to wear some tape, or you're going to be pulling the sides up because it does slip and slide. So I picked up a pair of flats. These are the Decor point toe slingback flats, and I really do like this shoe. I just don't like how they fit on the foot. That's the only thing, so I will be returning that too. Then I picked up this white shoulder bag. I really do like this bag. Simple but cute. It can go with any everyday wear. Now the next piece that I have, this is the asymmetrical neck open back bodysuit, and honestly this is not the top that was shown on the website, and I will insert a picture of that on the screen, or maybe it is the same and my boobs just not big, but I do not like this top at all. Like the arm part fits really well, just the chest I do not like at all. These are the open toe buckle decor sliders, and these remind me of some Dior sandals that I saw. So these are a cute dupe for them, and they're pretty comfortable on the foot, so I like these. The next top that I have is a crisscross tied backless halter top, and this is in a nude pink shade, and I really do like this shirt. You can tie it different ways, so you can have the knot in the front or to the back or to the side, and you don't have to wrap it around your belly all the way. I just did that just to show how you can manipulate it, and this is what it looks like up close. So you have a little bit of ruching right there. So the next pair of shoes, these are the faux pearl sliders, and I don't like how these fit on my feet, so they will be going back. And the last piece that I have is a basic crop top. It's really comfortable. It's a little see-through, so just be mindful of that, but it's a cute simple piece that you can dress up or dress down, and it's a good piece to have in your wardrobe for your lounge days or your running errand days, whatever you choose to wear it with. Alright you guys, so this wraps up today's clothing haul. My cute little pieces from Shein. Now some pieces are going back. They're being returned to the sender because yeah, it's not giving what it needs to give, and I'm not trying to be out here looking crazy all summer 21. Okay, but I will leave all my sizes and the links down below in the description box so you guys can get your hands on them. They are of course running a sale right now. They're always having a good sale. That's why I truly do adore Shein. I want to thank you guys for sticking till the end of the video. Once again, if you are new, hey girl, my name is Amir. I'm all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube with a little bit of life content. So if you like what you saw today, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what were your favorite pieces, and most importantly, subscribe to the family. Okay, so thank you once again for tuning in, and I hope I get to see you guys in the next one. Bye.